Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making a strawberry cheesecake pound cake. This is my first homemade cake all the way from scratch that actually came out super successful. So let's get into it. These are all my ingredients for the actual cake. So to my KitchenAid mixer, I'm going to add my butter and my sugar, and I'm going to cream the two together just like this. You guys, I had my fingers crossed this whole recipe because I was like, oh my God, I better not mess this up. You guys know I'm not the greatest baker, but I know how to do a thing or two. So you want to start adding your eggs one at a time. You don't want to add them all at once. You're going to create a mess. It probably would still work, but just do one at a time. Next, you want to add your cream cheese. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. And so make sure you guys check that out. If you have an old school KitchenAid mixer like I do, you want to scrape the sides down. I think the more modern and newer ones, you don't have to do that. Next, I'm going to add half of my flour and get that nice and mixed in. Then I'm going to add my vanilla, which I forgot to add earlier, and the rest of the flour, and allow that to mix. And now we're going to bake it off. So to your greased pan, you want to add your cake mixture just like how I'm doing here. I'm going to bake this off at 325 degrees for about an hour. Now we're going to work on the strawberries. I'm about to rinse them up. I chopped up the strawberries. You want to add a couple tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix that in, cover it, and allow it to create its own juice. So now this is the cake straight out the oven. It did get a little darker than I wanted it to, which is why I adjusted the time and the temperature, which I'll be putting in my description box. This is what the strawberries look like after an hour of being in the fridge. That's my powdered sugar and my cream cheese. I'm going to add it to my food processor, and that's going to be the glaze. That's it. Simple. So you want to add about a cup of powdered sugar, your cream cheese, and a couple tablespoons of the strawberry mixture. Do not pour the whole strawberry mixture in there. Oh, God, someone's going to do it. Watch somebody do it. Anyway, you want to then pour it right over your cake just like this, and look how beautiful this looks already, and we're not even done. So you could also make actual icing if you prefer, like buttercream icing, but again, I'm not a pro at baking, so I did what worked for me. I topped it with some more fresh strawberries and then some powdered sugar, and the cake was just amazing. It's so pretty. It was actually moist. The texture was spot on. And I'm actually proud of this little cake, I'm actually proud of this little cake. I would actually sell this cake or serve it to anybody because it actually came out, decent. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, tag me, let me know what you think. Look how pretty the inside of this cake is. Like, I cannot. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Bye.